Hi soulmates, in this video I'll share with you a simple illustration on how to achieve this monostrap gathered dress. So to start, I'll be doing this in a smaller or miniature size. You're going to mark out your shoulder to bust line. Next, you mark your shoulder to under bust, your shoulder to waist, and then your hip point. So we have two parts of this dress, the monostrap and the gathers part. We are cutting the monostrap part first. Mark your shoulder divided by 2, come down by 1. Your shoulder slope, then you mark your basic neckline of 3 inches. Now from this point, you're going to come down to connect from the neckline and come down to that shoulder slope. Next is to find your armhole, which is your bust measurement divided by 6 plus 1.5 inches. Whatever you get, you draw out a straight line at that point. Place back your shoulder measurement divided by 2 and you're going to draw a straight line all the way up. So after marking this, what you do is you're going to divide what you have here into 2 equal parts and mark the midpoint. Come out by ½ inch here, and then you're going to place your tape and mark your bust circumference divided by 4. That is your round bust measurement divided by 4. You place your ruler, connect from the midpoint to the upper part and connect to your bust measurement divided by 4. So after doing that, you're going to go ahead to mark your bust measurement divided by 4, add your sewing allowance. Mark your under bust measurement divided by 4, add your sewing allowance. Here you mark your waist measurement divided by 4 and you add your sewing allowance. Mark your hip measurement divided by 4, add your sewing allowance. Now go ahead to connect from the bust to under bust waistline and then 7 inches to get your hip point. So note, you're going to use this same pattern to cut the front and the back, and when you're making this, you're going to use a mesh fabric or a stretchy fabric for this dress. So after cutting this, now I'll open it up. You're going to cut it on fold, right? So after cutting here, I'll notch where the neckline is, and this is what I have. So I'll go ahead to open this up. One side I'll connect to the armhole, right, at this side of the dress. Then I will go ahead to use my marker to outline it. After outlining, we are going to go ahead to cut this out. If you have any questions so far, please kindly go ahead to ask. Now what we do next is to use this to cut for both the front and the back. Now if you look at this dress, we have like a ruche at one side. So what you want to do is to place your fabric, which you're going to fold out neatly, and you're going to place it on top, right? So after placing it, you're going to like tuck in the edges, like make it neat, then top stitch at the side, the center, and the other side. After you're done top stitching at this side, you're going to pass a rope to it. I'm going to pass a rope through it. So let me just raise this up so that I can pass this pattern paper underneath. Let it look like a rope. So you're going to pass like a rope through it this way, and by the time you drag it, you're going to have that ruche effect by the side of the dress. Now the next step is to go ahead to work on the lower part. Before working on the lower part, you want to get the full length of your dress. First step is to get the full length of your dress. Let's say we are working with 60 inches. Second step is to get your shoulder to hip point. To get your shoulder to hip point is your shoulder to waist plus extra 7 inches. Shoulder to waist is 17 plus extra 7 inches will give me 24 inches, right? So I'll now minus that 24 from that 60 inches. What you're going to have is 36 inches. So add extra 2 inches for folding and joining allowance. So you now have 38. So what you do is you cut 38 by 3 yards, which you're going to gather around the hemline, that is the lower part, or you use 4 yards and you gather it around the lower part. So I'm just creating all these splits on this part so that it will look like the gathered effect. You now gather this from the front to the back of the dress. If you have any question, please kindly go ahead to ask.